friends, welcome to 14 days of Valentine's Day cards. I hope you are having a wonderful February. For those of you that live up north, I hope you are staying cozy. Please check out all of the collaborators. So today I thought I would go ahead and use this piece of scrapbook paper. In the first video, I showed you the 6x6. I'm sorry, it was 12 by 12 scrapbook paper. And I cut them in half to make it 6 inches tall, and then I cut them to be 4 inches wide. Pretty standard size for a greeting card. So on this one, the rest of them that I had started with, the first through the third video, I did on this side because it's double-sided, as you can see. And so I did them on this side. So today I thought I'd mix it up a little bit and do one with the scrapbook image on it. I grabbed one of the cutoffs, and these are all just plain, right, because I had to cut these to size. So I have a bunch of cutoffs. So I grabbed one and I went ahead and I used my heart punch, and I punched out this little heart because I thought we could put it here. Now another thing I thought might be cute, I have these felt envelopes, and I thought it might be cute to sort of do a little bit of layering up here, but I feel like we need one more item to go up there. So I'm going to have a quick look around. I grabbed some of these flatbacks, and they are the clear ones, and I thought that would be nice on here. It wouldn't compete with anything too much, but just add a little shine to it. So let's go ahead and start assembling this. I'm going to go ahead and add the heart first. And then I think I'll add this. I am going to add some additional glue to this. Okay, and now I'm thinking we can add 6 of these flat backs, and we can do varying sizes. So I'll go ahead and do 3 over here, and then we'll do 3 over here. And that'll sort of take up some of the blank space, and I think that'll be nice. I'm going to grab a big one for the corner, and then I'll grab a little bit of a smaller one, and then an even smaller one. And then over here, let's see, we could do this big one, and then we'll do a medium size, and then a small one as well. Alrighty, my friends, I think we need to go ahead and add some stickles. I don't know what to think about using gold, but I'm going to give it a try. I think red and gold do look very nice together. So let's go ahead and put some of this on here. And while I'm doing that, I want to make sure, and I think I did mention it in the beginning of the video, but just in case I didn't, I want to mention that there is a list of collaborators in my description box below. So be sure to check them out and get some Valentine card inspiration. Everybody has their own unique style, and that's something that I absolutely love about being in collabs and hosting collabs, because I love seeing what my crafty friends come up with. All right, I'm thinking about putting some gold around this heart as well. I'll be sure to make a playlist, and if you've missed any videos, you can check out the playlist and catch them all there if you'd like to. I'm also going to use some of the unicorn stickles. That's the color that this is. And I think I'll use it on some of these white areas just to give them a little bit more interest. Okay, my friends, this was a very quick and easy card. We just added some elements to it and topped it off with stickles. Let's see if you can see the shine there. Cute, right? It's cute and simple, and I like it. I'm very happy with how it turned out. So I hope you will join me and the rest of the collaborators tomorrow to see what we come up with next. Thanks for watching. See you soon.